अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरादस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गम व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। चिन्मये व्याप्तं सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। सरस्वती शिरोरत्न विराजितो पदाम्बुज वेदांत भूय सर्वाय तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। चैतन्य शाश्वतं शान्तं ओमातीतं निरञ्जनम् बिन्दुनाद कलातीतः तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ज्ञान शक्ति समारूढ़ तत्वमाला विभूषितं मुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदाता च तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। अनेक जन्म सप्तात कंबबंध विवाहिन आत्मज्ञान प्रदायन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। शोषं भय शिरदत्त ज्ञापनं सारसदं पद गुरुर्पादो संवेक तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। न गुरोदितं तत्त्वं न गुरोदतं तप तत्त्वज्ञानात् पर नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। गुरादि सत्त्वेत गुरु परम दैवतं गुरु परम नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। ध्यान मूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजा मूलं गुरुर्पदम् ध्यान मूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजा मूलं गुरुर्पदम् मंत्र मूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्ष मूलं गुरुः। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय ओम श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुतः भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम गम गणपते नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। हरि ओम तत्सत्। Kindly close your eyes and get ready for the practice of meditation. Sit any comfortable posture. Keep the spine up and straight and gently close your eyes. Feel the body completely comfortable. Spine should be upright and straight. And withdraw your mind from all worldly distraction. Withdraw your mind all worldly worry, preoccupation, and feel the state of harmony, state of tranquility, state of calmness. Just feel, experience total calmness, tranquility, harmony. This state of Kaya Sthiram. Kaya means the body, Sthiram steady. The body just like a divine steady temple, just like a statue. There is no physical movement, even the eyelid, they are not moving, totally pin drop silence. And once you feel the body completely calm and quiet, concentrate on the tip of the nose and feel the flow of the natural, normal, spontaneous breathing process. constant, unbroken, unchanging flow of the breathing process. Inhale prana, exhale apana. You can feel the smooth air is coming within you as you breathe in. Exhale, the heart is going out. Inhale courage. Inhale willpower. Inhale tranquility. Inhale harmony. Exhale, releasing all unwanted negative thought, tamasic and rasic thought. Exhaling. Very smooth air is coming in, the cool air. Once you feel, sometimes you feel the flow of the left nostril, sometimes right nostril. When you feel the left nostril flowing, the cool air is coming. The left is moon, right is sun. Sometimes you feel right nostril. Ila, Pingala, Ganga, Jamuna. Vital, mental. As soon as you feel both the nostrils flowing together, awaken the Sushumna, divine energy flowing. And that is state of total inner tranquility. You feel total calmness. Lake without waves. Ocean without waves. Feel the flow of the prana. And now the concentrate in mid-eyebrow center in third eye, Agya Chakra, and think about the mantra Om, mentally Om, 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 Om. And each time repeat the mantra, it creates the circle. The circle becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. Expand. Om. Awaken the Agya Chakra. Om circle. Just like you put stone in the lake, it forms the wave. Om circle. Each time the circle becomes bigger and bigger. Do it 21 breath. Feel, even you don't need to repeat, it happens. You listen the sound of Om. Om is the Bij mantra of Agya Chakra, third eye of intuition. Constantly going out that sound of Om, whether you're aware or not. Om, Om. Just like a tick, tick, the watch sound make, that one. Om, circle. Om, circle. Now withdraw awareness from the tip of the nose and bring the awareness, feel the breath is coming in the throat area, Vishuddhi Chakra. And gradually the breath is going down up to the navel, Manipur Chakra. Feel the breath is coming Vishuddhi to Manipur, Manipur Vishuddhi. Navel to throat and throat to navel. Feel the breath Manipur, Vishuddhi, Vishuddhi, Manipur. And gradually breath becomes slightly deeper and longer. Ujjayi breath. And the sound, you hear the sound, Soham. As you breathe in, feel the breath coming from So, navel to throat, Manipur, Vishuddhi. Throat to navel, Soham. Do it 31 breaths between the navel and throat. Soham. Hum, so. This is how you are starting inner journey, blissful journey, working with the two psychic centers between the navel and the throat, Manipur and Vishuddhi. Soham. Hum, so. सोहम सोहम जाप करो, सद्गुरुदेव का ध्यान करो. सोहम आत्मा शिव परमात्मा, सोहम सोहम जाप करो. सोहम सोहम जाप करो। सोहम शिवम सोहम सत्यम सोहम सोहम जाप करो. Continue with the mantra Soham, and gradually feel the mind, transcend the mind, working with the breath, consciousness and the mantra. The moment you feel thoughtlessness, mind is calm and quiet. Ujjayi breath, mantra Soham. Hum Soham. And gradually again withdraw your mind in between navel and throat. Concentrate on heart chakra, heart area, and try to visualize the steady violet flame. Steady flame. Visualize the anahat, the heart chakra, and see the steady flame. Completely, the flame is violet flame, and that flame connected yourself. Seat of soul, seat of love, seat of unconditional love, and feel divine is sitting with your heart. Heart is made of love, cosmic love, divine love, and you feel, you listen to inner voice within you, voice of joy, voice of bliss, and you feel your nature is Sat Chit Ananda. Listen to inner voice of inner self. You feel even a few seconds, few moments, the state of bliss, the state of joy. Anandoham, Anandoham, Anandam Brahmanandam, Anandam Nityanandam, Anandam Brahmanandam, Anandoham, Anandoham, Anandam, the bliss. And that is your nature. Sat Chit Ananda. Infinite peace, joy within you. 2 minutes sit calm and quiet. Listen to the divine cosmic transmission. The divine energy available for you. The connection is also ready. It is up to you. Switch on and feel how blessed you are. You can feel the presence of divine and feel I am the bliss. My nature is Sat Chit Anand. Presence of the Lord is within me. God is within me. Who is Brahman, home of divine Lord. Who is formless. God is formless. And the form. You will experience something when you eat the sugar, you feel only the sweetness, only you experience the divine cosmic transmission. Narayana, 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 Om Hari Narayana, 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 Om Narayana, 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 Om Lakshmi Narayana, 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 Om Guru Narayana, 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 Om Ram 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 Ram. Chant Om 3 times with me. Om. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Hari Om. Tassat. Hari Om. Open eyes. Hari Om. Hari Om. Thank you. I'm very happy to looking all you wonderful people. Each one your face is smiling just like you look just like a full moon. God sent us and this planet. We come here because God sent us. And what is the purpose of to come in this planet? And what is your nature? What is your purpose? We born as a small little baby, and moment we born womb of our mother, we cry. The first sound, cry, and that is ko hum. Who am I? You cry, but mother feel happy because baby come this planet. Then you grow a child convert teenager, and the teenager convert the middle age and the old age. The physical body convert child, teenager, middle age and old age. Your body change. Now you feel I am a teenager. I am older person. But what is not changed? Inner soul. Something is within you, is never soul. And our purpose to know yourself. Who am I? We think I'm a body. I have this name, I have this name, I have mother, I have father, brother, a teacher, I have car, a house. I have attached externally thing. The real purpose you forget, your nature forget. Why God sent you? To know presence of the God within you. Learn. Your mind, your body has a disease. Sometimes you have back pain, neck pain, headache, stomach, physical pain, mental pain, worries, preoccupation, anxiety, doubt, confusion. Then also that pain of know the God. Cry for the God. Feel the God. The purpose, we are not here permanently. The moment you born, you come with the return ticket. One day you have to leave this everything, whatever. Sometimes mother, father, brother, we love. It happens with me also. We love this person, but one day God called them, Yamaraj, the God of the death, he come and take you. He take his body, but soul is there. God never born, God never die. Your spirit, your soul never born, never die. He is always there. Every day you do so many things. Use your mental energy, emotional energy, thinking so externally. How much time dedicate for yourself? Disconnected you in a few seconds to experience that nature of Satchidanand. The God exists? Where is God? Who is God? Where he live? He live in the statue? We make the God make picture, we take it God. You make a statue of wood, statue of mud, and we have faith with God. But my dear friend, God not a single second away from you. Not a single second. Each breath come. God with you. Who give the breath? Who give the light to the eyes? Who give the energy to listen? Who give the energy to talk? Who give energy to walk, to run? All the action without the four. If I die right now, sorry, I'm not going to die. If I die today, how long you going to keep my body? Because you know this, my body is not permanent, it belongs to the fire element. Everyone has the earth element because food comes from earth. We drink the water element. We have fire. Any food you eat the food, digest, you have fire within you. Fire, earth, air sufficient everywhere. Earth, space. So these 5 elements go in the original hell. But what is not die? Your soul, your spirit. Discover the God, the purpose of human life, to realize who is within you. All your misery disappeared. One disciple went to the Guruji and he said, Master, Guruji, have you seen the God? Yes, he said, I said the God. Can you show me the God? Can I see? Yes, you can see. I can show you the God. Then he said, the disciple, have I dreamed Have I dreamed last night? He said, I have a dream. Can you show me your dream? Can you show your dream to me? He says, Master, the dream only I can see. Dream I can see only. I cannot show you my dream. The same is, my dear friend. God you cannot show. God is feel, experience, God realization, Atmanbhuti, Nirvana, Moksha. Lord Buddha got Nirvana. Lord Jesus, Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, they come as a human being. Yada yada hi dharmasya glani bhavata. When there is difficulty in the planet, in the world, God appears in human form and He guides you. But directly you cannot experience. You need something medium. And that Sadguru, the Divine Master, Sadguru, who has the knowledge of that knowledge, who experiences the divinity, the great Master, Swami Shivananda, my Param Guru, my Gurudev Satyananda, my Guru. He is also Guru, Swami Shivananda Vishwanath. Swami Shivananda was a medical doctor. He was working as a medical doctor in Malaysia, from India. He's from South India. He was working as a doctor. And finally thought come. He come to India, let me go my country to go in the different part and help the poor people, help the sadhu and sannyasi. Medicine give the people who don't have anything. He went to the Himalaya, Rishikesh, Badrinath, Kedarnath, part of Himalaya. And he tried to helping poor people, sick people, big people, sadhu, sannyasi and swamis helping. And one day he was helping one person come to him, just 5 minutes. He said, now you are not Kupasami Iyer, you are Swami Shivananda. He initiated him, he gave him 5 minutes, he saw his Guru and suddenly disappeared. His Guru saw only 5 minutes, Vishwanath. He tell his tradition, and suddenly he never find his guru, and he went to search of his master. He realized Shiva Ananda, I am that Shivam. He realized presence of the Lord Shiva. He explains, I am that Satchidananda. Divine work through me, talk through me. He listen through me. What I should listen? What should I talk? He realized. What should listen? All the garbage, worry, preoccupation. Talk all the negative thing, tamasic thing. My dear friend, God has given the ear to listen wonderful thing, mouth to talk wonderful thing, eat wonderful thing, mind to think wonderful. Guru guide you. Guru motivate you. The Swami Shivananda realized we used to call him ocean of love, ocean of compassion. He's very funny. I not meet him, but I live his ashram Rishikesh. I went there many times. Swami Shivananda, Satyananda live with him. So Guru tradition is very important in spiritual path. Guru guide you, and the guidance, Guru never asks to any material thing. He don't ask externally. Guru guide you selflessly, give the knowledge and wisdom so you can understand the divine Lord within you. And away from mystery. When sun comes, you don't need the light. Sun comes, darkness disappears automatically. You need the light in the daytime, tube light. So you have to feel the light of joy, light of bliss, light of ananda. That's why you have to learn from the Guru some sadhana, some practice. Guru your mantra. Guru initiate you. He never asked anything. I met my Guru. He never asked me anything. Never asked the money. Never asked anything. When I went first time, the funny thing, I went there, 3 days I was going to the train, my place to ashram. And first time I saw the river Ganga. And they said, when you saw the river Ganga, you should take bath. And I shave my head, and the tradition, you eat rice with yogurt eat. That tradition is that one. I see the Ganga. Because when you take first time bath in river Ganga, all your sin, all your negative thing disappear, that tradition we have. And then you eat yogurt with the rice. So I was traveling 3 days. And I saw the ashram from my train. And then I went to the ashram. As soon as I went, first I became sick. I have heavy fear. That is my first meeting with him. And I said, I come. That time maybe I was 14, 15, I don't know. I was very young. I went to the ashram. I knocked the door and one Swami come. I said, I want to meet Swami Satyananda. I met one time him in my own place. I know who is Satyananda. He said, you cannot see him now. He is 3 days. We have Guru Purnima. It's a funny thing. I went to the ashram time of Guru Purnima and said, you have a fever. Then they take me one room. I was resting there. And I was resting. Funny thing happened when I was in my room. Someone come and touch my body. And he says, stay here and we will meet you. When I opened my Swami Satyananda come, touch my body in his 3 days. And when Guru Purnima finished, I will see you. I got my Guru. And when he touched my first time, my hand and my legs he touched, I said, this is something blessed. I got it, what I'm looking for all my life. He never asked my name. He never asked me, what you want? I said, Swamiji, I come to serve you. And that's why I'm here. Still I'm living, it will be 60 years. I am 75. The Guru's important by the spiritual path, Guru take toward the God. And the God your side, you don't have fear of anything. We are here collecting. Doesn't matter what yoga you practice, what guru you have, what religion you have, what color you have, which country you have. But relation between you and God is infinite relation. Good Guru relation, Guru take toward the God. And once your God is without, they know nothing toward anything. Whole life struggling, obtain material thing, name, fame, money, children, everything collecting. You don't bring anything with you and don't take with you. So live right now. Past is history, future is mystery, and present is gift. This is a gift of a moment. Each moment live a life, dedicate for a good cause. Doesn't matter what work you do. I am Swami. I don't have family, but you are my family. But you are householder, you have mother, father, brother, sister, husband, friend, all. But relation with the God. Establish your relation. That's why you have to learn the communication, that one. And that communication comes through the bhakti, the devotion, the love. You love and suddenly it's I hate. You get married and divorced. Your children sometimes don't like and you hate them. Of course, love is there. The real you love, cosmic love, bhakti is the most important aspect of spiritual life. Love, unconditional love, and that love make you toward the God. Without presence of the God, life is incomplete in this planet. Don't be afraid to die. Easy to say, difficult to practice. I can talk and talk and talk, but we are hungry, you have to eat by yourself. Thirsty of inner life, the thirst of joy. I want to see, I want to feel the God within me. I am also that journey. You are also that journey. My dear friend, I love all of you. Therefore, you are all yoga practitioners. You learn from the teacher, you learn from me. I learn from my guru. What I teach, he transmit me. Teacher teach, preacher preach, but divine Sadguru transmit. Swami Satyananda is not here physically, but still I feel his presence in my heart. More you far, more you near, and more you near, more you far. That was his mantra given Bolivia to him. When I went to 1975 to Bolivia, I was feel lonely. La Paz I was there. And he said, Brahmodanan, more you far, more you near. More you near, more you far. Presence of the God and the Guru, not physical form. Love is not physical, touching, hugging, eating. Love is individual energy. Pure energy flow through you. When you are there, you feel presence. We are worried, we are preoccupation, we are anger. Why we are angry? Why become worried? Why become frustrated? There is something reason. Because the mind is rested. The mind, if you put an iron in the iron you put, in the outside the rain will come, rusted the iron. Your mind is rusted. The mind is need to be clean. Every day you clean your body, you clean your teeth, you clean your body, use a nice cloth. How to clean your mind, my dear friend? Clean your mind. The healthy mind, the relaxed mind, the calm mind, the well-trained mind make a difference in life. Our mind should be just like a children. You can grow up, become person, but your soul, your spirit, be a child of the God. Ninna linda bonita, ninna linda bonito. Be a pure when you see the little baby. Jamuna Devi, she has a sister called Eileen. She's a doctor. And she has one son and one daughter. Her son is called Dorian. Dorian is a falso. Dorian come hurricane. When she was pregnant, hurricane come. And when she born, Dorian come. And he's just so sweet. He's a good friend of mine. His father is Greek tradition. They went to church when he was 1 month old. And I met the priest in the church. And the priest come and he was very happy in the church and he hugged me, the priest. And he says, Swamiji, you give him blessing. He's in the church, he's a priest. I said, you are Swami from India, come my church. Now you bring the little baby. He give the name Dorian. And I give him Prakash name, light. And he was little but looking these eyes. Still the image come to me, that one. And smiling and smiling. Children are God children. And his daughter also very sweet. And that I give her name Jyoti. She's also the two little baby always I see. And that Eileen, two son and daughter, very special. See the children within inside your children, hiding with you. And that God, that children within you. The life is more important. The presence of the God in your life. You're struggling with the life, but we are forget the real purpose, presence of the God in your life. Every moment you can feel the presence of the God, that is the more purpose, that's why we become a Swami. We have so many practice yoga, so many physical things, you do mental, emotional. I am practicing all my life, teaching all my life, but I feel presence of the Guru and the God in my life. Do your karma, do your dharma. According to the Vedic tradition, we have 4 Purushartha cards. I am telling, before I also tell. Artha, Kama, Dharma and Moksha. You understand? Artha, Kama, Dharma and Moksha. Artha, prosperity, the money. Whatever you collect, that money, earth, to fulfill your karma desired. Whatever desired. Desire are more, wants are more, need is minimum. So you do your work monetary to collect earth, prosperity, fulfill desire. But you never get happy. The more you get, more you're unhappy, more and the mind is completely stable. So you do 2 things, earth and calm. Collect the money, fulfill desire. And 2 things, last one, dharma and moksha. Dharma means duty. What is the duty of the sun? Every day come and give the light. Sorry, I need a little bit agua, jal, pani. Sorry, saludo. So dharma of the mango tree, every year mango come give. Artha, dharma. What is your dharma? To your family, to your friend and yourself. Your duty. Dharma means the duty. What is duty? Your dharma to be good and do good. Be humble and be simple. Increase your spiritual wealth. If you have spiritual wealth, good thought, good feeling, You never, your mouth open, good way. Don't hurt no one with the mouth. Doing good karma. The moment you win, don't listen negative thing. Don't see that strange thing. Be good and do good. Dharma should be done properly. And the fourth come the moksha, nirvana, anubhuti. That anubhuti. When we enter with the Swami's ashram, my Guru's ashram, every day we have to read that teaching of the Guru Shankaracharya. And that teaching is Atma Anubhuti, to realize the God. Om Sri Paramatme Namaha. Sri Harim Paramanandam Upadeshtarameshwaram Vyapakam Sarvalokanam Karanam Tam Namamayam Aparokshanubhutirve Prochate Moksha Shete Sadbireva Prayatnena Vikshaniyan Muharmuhu. Our purpose is to toward the moksha, nirvana, anubhuti. That should be realized this life. I am also same boat. Swami Satyananda lived 89 years old. But he says his life divided 20. And he said, I am going this day, this time, this moment. 9th of December, the 5th of December 2009, he decided it's time to go to dissolve his physical body, to dissolve. He went. He tell our disciple, I also know the moment he's going, dissolving, taking the body, Atma. This is this is called Sahasrara Chakra. The Gurus go by will. Paramsa Yogananda, Swami Shivananda, Swami Satyananda. By will he separate his body. In front of his Ramayana, in front of witnessing Lord Ganesha, he left his body. Don't cry me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm always there. Only you, physical body going for his elephant. He left his body by will. I had not went there because I know he is going. He tell before also. We never die, we never born. Or Atma. The purpose, the moksha. Doesn't matter, you are a householder. I'm a sannyasi, I'm Swami. I don't like immediately family. I try to connect it my family. I make ashram and I give up everything. That was its experiences. You are all part of my life. Whatever I can do, guide, inspire, motivate, I will do myself. I will not tell what the books say, I will tell what my heart say, for better of the person. So always do the better thing. So remember 4 things: Artha, Kama, Dharma, Moksha. Moksha means nirvana, anubhuti, realization. That is your purpose. Once God in your sight, God is with you, no one can make you unhappy. No one can make you sad. No one can make you upset. No one can nervous. Material thing come and less. You have big house, how much space you need to eat? We become unhappy due to your desire or wants and need. God give you G-O-D. God, G, creator, operator, and elemental destroyer. 3 things. So my dear friend, my purpose is talking with you. Think about the God. Live with the Spirit of God. Now I want to take a rest, but I want something sitting next to me and she should read wonderful voice about something is very important. you know that person next to me, maybe you will know who is that. She will sing something which I will tell to sing, read that thing, come close to you and sing. I am
Hari
the,
Om.
okay.
I am the river, you are the sea. I am the river, you are the sea. Let your love flow right through me. I am the river, you are the ocean. Come and fill me with devotion. I am the bird, you are the sky. Let your gaze flow as I fly. I am the earth, you are the sun. I am many, you are one. I am the darkness, you are the light. Send your wisdom into my night.
I am the river, I am the tree, you are the fruit. Eat mango sweet. Look, bhakti, the devotion is important thing. So that's why if you want to bring in the God, have a faith. Vishwas Shraddha. Faith on the God, faith on the Guru. If you have faith, I want to experience the God who give the prana. God is a living being every moment. Look, you know coconut? Coconut go close to the ocean. The coconut grow there. And the coconut tree is very big. And you see coconut, water is sweet. Who put that sweet water in the bank of the ocean? Ocean is salty. And from there up, you take the coconut, sweet coconut water. You have mango tree. Who put the sweetness in mango? Look this one. This one. Who put this color? Can you paint this color by yourself? My dear friend, believe or not, God exists a moment. Who put this color? You don't have to any kind of thing, you have to experience it. God, realization, ultimate purpose of our life. That is your goal, that is my goal, your goal. We are wandering. Daytime, we are not wake up, we are sleeping. We are sleeping in the darkness. There are three stages we go. Waking, sleeping and dreaming. Conscious, unconscious, subconscious. We are wake up now. And night we dream. And sleep come. You have a last night dream. You have a dream come. One king, he has a dream. He was a king. Someone come and he saw that this is a dream. And they cut his hand. They cut his legs. And too much give trouble to him. He started crying, you cut my hand, how I can walk? I cannot hand. And the queen, his wife, sitting next to you. Wake up, what happened to you? I said, I have a dream. The people cut my hand, some person come cut my hand and cut my legs. Dream disappeared. Then no more cut, no one cut. So many things we see in the dream that is not real. So this world is a dream. We see everything. That is dream and this is dream. One is see daytime, they dream. Or one dream, what is real? Reality is permanent. Waking, sleeping, dreaming, conscious, unconscious, subconscious. And the superconscious state, the mind. Superconscious state, mind, blissful state, even a few seconds. That's why enter in your life bhakti. Supreme conscious state, not only practicing different kind of yoga of love, yoga of joy, that I learn. I am a devotee of my Guru. I am devotee, follower of the God. Bhakta, Bhakti and Bhagwan. Bhakta, devotee. Bhagwan, devotion, the way to reach the God. That's why very important, bring the bhakti in your life. So yoga, we teach integral system of yoga. I call and joke common sense yoga. Use your common sense. Karma yoga, bhakti yoga, Raj yoga and Gyan yoga. These 4 types of yoga. That's called integral yoga. Karma, bhakti, Raj and Gyan. Do the proper karma. Work, don't expect. Put the tree, but don't expect the fruit. If you put the mango tree, mango will come. You don't have to put the mango by yourself. Don't expect anything. Do your karma, do your action, do your karma yoga. I am also karma yogi. Doing work other people. Bhakti yoga, Raj yoga, Gyan yoga. Bhakti, the devotion. Chanting, mantra, purify the mind. Purify the mind. Bhakti is most important thing, and bhakti take to the God. You destroy all your negative thing in the life. Gyan yoga, reading the Bible, Quran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vedanta, Upanishad, reading the scripture, and with that knowledge, going to the God. Raj yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Yem, Niyam, Asana, Pranayam, Dhyan, Dharana, Samadhi, Ashtanga yoga, systematic work on the mind, enter in the state of Samadhi, the blissful state. I talk so many things to you. Now it's time to you contemplate and meditate what I was talking. Now, each one talk 30 seconds, one question, good thing tell me. Any good thought, tell me, for Myrena, tell one thing, wonderful, good thing, tell me one good thing. One thought, wonderful thing. Dígalo por favor, diga cosa bonita. Gracias. Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Well, one good thing is to meet you from long time ago. For me, it's a blessing to have you as my guru.
Thank you.
Adios.
Adios. Jennifer, tell me one bonito thing, one lindo, one good thing, good thought. I cannot listen.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
God gave me lots of flowers on my balcony this morning.
Thank
And
you.
my neighbor-
Thank you.
Last night.
Socorro, diga cosa bonita, linda, en 30 segundos. No escucho.
Que yo me siento muy feliz de vivir, de haber conocido muchas cosas y de verlo a usted y agradecerle que esté con nosotros en esta hora todos los sábados. Es una felicidad para mí.
Recuerdo que usted era mi madre en vida pasado.
A la brava nos toca querernos, Omi. Animar aspereza entre nosotros.
Okay. Yoga
Muchas
Priya.
gracias, Swamiji.
Yoga Priya, tell one wonderful thing.
I think we're very blessed to be able to share this satsang with you. So thank you. Some Chinese around, I don't know.
Okay.
Very blessed, Swamiji. Thank you.
Paula, tell something good thing.
Buenos días, Swamiji. Muy feliz de poder cada día más estar en este camino que he elegido, la verdad. Estoy feliz, la verdad, pudiendo hacer las cosas desde nuestro corazón siempre es un cambio. Poder hacer las cosas desde nuestro Dios interior es
Gracias.
dar esa recompensa feliz.
Gracias. Suresh, tell one thing. Something wonderful thing. Tell something good. Huh?
Swamiji y Tasa Tirendra.
Okay. Diga.
Gracias.
Tell something. Ram Rahim. Okay. Suresh, tell something. Wonderful. Huh.
It's nice to meet you. It's blessings to join your satsang. It's actually feels so great to activate my conscious mind.
Thank you. Ram Rahim, tell something.
Hari Om Swamiji, and Hari Om to everyone. I think one of the most wonderful things is that despite all that is happening in the world, we are still able to connect and to learn from you and to get the blessings from you.
In the world, thing happen, it will happen. Someone die, someone born, something happen, world, always there. Important thing, if you're strong, if you calm, world will see differently. Don't take too much negative thing in your mind. Mind should be neat, clean, and feel the God within you, you can change. You are responsible for action, and the world you can pray and send the good energy. Today I am not talking about anything what is around, I am talking about what you happening within you, what you can make change different your life, other person's life. Because news is there, always happening. Millions of people die, millions of people born. Every day, every second, whole world population, how many people die? We don't have count. How many people born? It's so many, every day people born, every second people born. But no one count how many people born. People count only some people die something. I'm not against anything. Sorry, I don't want to offend what is happening. Miami and everywhere, but I pray out of my heart. Liana, one thing.
Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om Ji.
I'm very grateful to listen to you and your pure, wise words together with all of these divine, beautiful souls.
Thank you. Listen to my heart song. I will never forget you. Listen to my heart song. Heart means my corazón. Escuche del canto de corazón. Lakshmi, tell. Hello, Lakshmi. Hello, are you there? You're 5 years or 10 years old today?
2.
Okay, tell quickly.
I'm just very thankful, Swamiji. Thank you very much.
Okay, gracias. Karuna Devi, tell me. Hello, you reached Guatemala or still you're in America? Hello? Oiga, niña. Loti. Okay. Satyendra, are you there? Hello, Jorge. Are you Brazil? No, he went to India. He's in India. Jyoti? Okay, gracias. You know, life, as you take it, increase your willpower, increase your tranquility, calmness, harmony. What's happening around, it will happen. You are responsible for your action. Pray. God will take care of everything. गुरुदेव मेरे जब पास खड़े मैं आस करूं किसकी जब बाह गए गुरुदेव मिले, तब बाह गऊ किसकी। जब नाथ मेरे दिलदार मिले, मैं खोज करूँ किसकी। गुरुदेव मेरे सत्यानंद की जय, गुरुदेव मेरे सत्यानंद की जय। जब प्रीति अपार लखी उनकी, फिर प्रीति चहु किसकी। जब बाकी हृदय सदा उनकी, फिर प्रीति चहु किसकी। जब दास हुई शरणे उनकी, फिर शरण चहु किसकी। जब चरण शरण गुरुदेव मिले, जब चरण शरण गुरुदेव मिले, फिर शरण चहु किसकी। गुरुदेव मेरे सत्यानंद की जय, गुरुदेव मेरे सत्यानंद की जय। गुरु हमारे मन मंदिर में, गुरु हमारे प्राण, सारे विश्व का वह दाता नारायण भगवान। नारायण भगवान, नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव। गुरु हमारे मन मंदिर में, गुरु हमारे प्राण, सारे विश्व का वह दाता नारायण भगवान। जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव, जय गुरुदेव श्री गुरुदेव। You know, Guru, sing the song, any song. Every day you must dedicate at least 10 minutes mantra. You do singing mantra. And singing mantra that help you release all your mental garbage, you will take it. You have too much garbage in the mind. You know, just like you clean your mouth, clean your body, clean your clothes, clean your mind every day. And that mind to clean, bhakti, the kirtan. And that close to God, kirtan. I sing lot. When I don't have time, when I'm taking bath, I sing 10 minutes. How long it takes to take bath? 10, 15 minutes? When I start taking bath 4 in the morning, I sing the song myself. No one is there. And you feel singing mantra, open the heart, relax the mind, and you feel very happy. So Bhakti Yoga should become Bhakti, Bhakta and Bhagwan. Bhagwan means the God. Devotion, the way, camino, hacia la felicidad, hacia la iluminación. Tenga fe en Dios, have faith in the God, faith on the Guru, and live a simple life. Mahatma Gandhi used to say, simple living, high thinking. Simple living, high thinking. Swami Shivananda used to say, be good and do good. Other the otherly. Be humble, be simple. The God sent us different master, different teacher, different guru. In India, I travel a lot. I make a mini ashram apart my guru. I met many Swami. And in Miami, we have another Swami. He's 90 years, Swami Jyotirmananda. The one disciple of Swami Shivananda was there, Swami Sachidananda was Yogaville, Virginia. I met him many times and he was very nice. Another disciple is not there, Swami Vishnu Devananda, he was in Canada. So Swamis come pure heart to help the disciple to take toward the God and be happy there. You relation established with the God and the Guru and be happy and enjoy their life. Don't concentrate negative thing in the world happening. You cannot change. Listening TV, listening newspaper, listening negative thing you cannot change. But practicing change the quality of life, you can make it change your life and your energy can change whole life. That's why thinking. Today I have not talked anything. What is happening around the world? The politics, don't mix politics in your mind. Be politics of joy, politics of happy. How can be happy in my life? How can share my good thought, good wishes, good blessing? If you cannot do charity of love, good thought, charity of joy, charity of happiness, charity of love. Not only the charity of money. Money one time, Always do charity of love, charity of joy, charity of happiness, charity of courage. Give the courage, charity of calmness, tranquility. That individual. What I'm doing charity. I'm not asking anything to you. Charity of good thought. You'll be happy. Don't constant negative thing. Jamuna Devi is Ayurvedic teacher. She worked 3 hours. I said, my dear friend, don't talk too much with the people. Do charity of love. Today, another person, I don't know where he went. He went where I don't know where he went. Devananda disappeared. I have not seen. Last time he was there. He's a friend of Brazil. We have one friend is there listening, but he don't have camera, he don't have video. His name is Satyaprem, I give him. His name is Jorge, wonderful person. So final conclusion, I want to be happy. Do learn charity of joy. Charity of giving, beggar, giving, church, giving has nothing wrong, give ashram. But best charity of love, charity of joy, charity of good thought. Pray other people. Loka samasta sukhune bhavantu. Let whole world be happy. We can make it different with a good thought, give devotion. The world can be changed. All the Swamis, they do charity of knowledge and wisdom. Your all Guru is within you. So be happy, enjoy, pray for them. Don't worry about the corona thing. Corona, karuna, they call corona, karuna, compassion. And corona goes the vacation. It will go slowly. How long it will stay? 10 years, 15 years? 1 year. You know? I don't know what I say. And they said I talk something, so they take out, we have to take my YouTube. That's why I don't want to talk anything. Because they said, you talk, not supposed to talk. I was talking about karuna and corona. They have a system. But I want karuna. Prema mudita manase kaho Ram 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 kaho Ram Ram Ram. Papa kate dukha mite leke Ram Naam. Ram 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 Ram. If you don't have to sing your name. And you will be happy. If you cannot do the mantra, sing your name. So anyhow, my boss is calling, 12 o'clock I have to take the food. Otherwise he will close the kitchen, I don't have food either. My boss prepared the food for me. I have to take lunch. And I have to take my home. It will take me 2 hours to do. I have to take the buses. I have to take, my boss make the food for me. Who is my boss? Me is my boss. Me and my boss. So he prepared the food, I have to go take, I don't have a car, so I have to take a walking go at bus, I have to take 2 buses to go to my boss. Sorry, this is joke. Sometimes say the sweet thing in joke, but don't make unhappy no one, telling negative thing no one. You know? Sing the song which no one sing. Bring the thought no one do the thing no one do. Don't follow no one, even me. Follow your heart. They call Hindi, suno sabki karo man ki. Listen everyone and do what you feel to do. Follow your heart. And the God and Guru will be with you. So many people give too much advice and knowledge, but do little things. Eat little, think little, eat less, digest more. Read less, analyze more. Chita and Chintan, 3 words. Chita, Chinta and Chintan. Chita they call dead body. We burn the dead body, they call it Chita. Chinta means worries, preoccupation. So Chinta burn living body. Chintan. So jo Chintan, self-analyze about the God, about divine, about the knowledge. So word Chita, Chinta and Chintan. Chintan means analyze everything properly, be impartial, be your own master of mind. Now do Shanti part and we will go everyone for the lunch. I know the time to take lunch. Om Vasato Ma Sadagamaya तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकवन्दना मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृता ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुः च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव ॐ शान्ति नाहं कर्ता हरिः कर्ता किलहं नाहं कर्ता गुरुदेव कर्ता सत्यं शरणं गच्छामि योगं शरणं गच्छामि संगं शरणं बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि ॐ शान्ति हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम थैंक यू।